Welcome back and continuing the news. Residents and business operators along sections of Waltham Park Road in St. Andrew are calling for greater enforcement from the National Solid Waste Management Authority (NSWMA) to address what they describe as persistent illegal dumping in the area. Details in this report.
Piles of garbage, a common sight along the busy corridor of Waltham Park Road in St. Andrew. The residents are complaining that the waste has also been spilling onto the roadway. Some admit the National Solid Waste Management Authority (NSWMA) collects waste regularly. However, others say it's not enough.
Them come every morning and them clean up. By them clean up them chore, that's why the rubbish pile up like that. Because no one, when them come, them just clean the front part and leave it because they can't manage it.
Friday last week, we don't see no garbage truck,
But we get to understand that the garbage truck come on a regular basis.
No truck. Lie that. If you not see say it's something there, it will not gone.
The residents argue that the problem goes beyond household waste. They say a significant amount of the garbage is being dumped by passers-by and motorists who use the area as an illegal disposal site.
Van, car, everything. Them just drive and throw them and you call them. Some of them curse you, some of them drive away. And the people them and a hole and the rubbish throw them, tear out the bag them and looking for buckle. Them dig it up looking for all kind of metal and things like that.
Rat, roach, fly, everything. Dead animal over there, so the fly come over. It's very bad. Stink. The road work, the roadman them will go around and patch the road, dig up the road and then dump it there.
They are now urging the authorities to step up monitoring and enforcement measures to help curb the practice and restore cleanliness in the area. When contacted, Executive Director of the NSWMA, Audley Gordon, was not available for immediate comment. He, however, promised to respond to the concerns raised. Carrie Simpson, TVJ News.